This is DJ Promote. We're gonna do everybody's favorite right here, Othello, Heart, off Elevator Music. Hey, this is my verse right here.
Compatible to that of a go-by. Load up the info cause I'm sure to blow the whole spot. Find him at night and invite him to the finest live performance. Up in orthodoxy, follow as I globe try. So hot under the light of the stage, that's what my worries away into a puddle of what I've been running from. Let's just intensify the atmosphere a little more. I have the mic so my controller wants to see your hands raised. Almost in a frenzy, exert until you're empty. Refuel the fire and climb back into the medley. Grinding as I'm dining on these minimalized designs. In the mind of my madness, I managed to rock steady.
You witnessing the pinnacle of rhyme in its medicinal form. Minds are critical, so we perfect every syllable. Shown, prone to elevate, place and animate words that merge with thirst and verse form to activate. We run the tables and enable y'all to lose yourselves inside of the music, using all we got to give ourselves. So here's a little piece of my soul for all of y'all to contemplate and listen to and hopefully inspire y'all. We push the limits, never settle for the status quo. The okie doke they playing on the radio, it's overdose. Rebel music, a chance to shake the industry. The minister administer styles to pound it in.
We got heart. The focus is persistence. Hard. Boom, that was where the gift is. Starts with the fundamentals of rhyme, giving the people energy each and every time. We got heart. The focus is persistence. Hard. Boom, that was where the gift is. Starts with the fundamentals of rhyme, giving the people energy each and every time. I can't even find the words to describe the feeling that I feel when the syllables tend to ride the rhythm. Waltz to the metronome, two-step to the breakbeat. Take me to a place where noise has structure in its making of my refuge. Supernatural, see as my flavor hashed organically, years incubate in test tubes. I was son of Yeshua, this minuscule run through you like the fluid that pumps through your veins, inducing movement.
When the adrenaline starts pumping through my veins, I'm escaping the stress that I feel daily. I swear lately it's been hard to maintain, but I keep on